Good morning students. In this video we are going to solve question number 5 of exercise 8.2. Now the question is, a VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. Students, in the question it is given that cost price of a VCR is rupees 8,000 and cost price of TV is 8,000, and on the selling of VCR shopkeeper made a loss of 4% and on the selling of a TV shopkeeper made a profit of 8%, and here we have to find out gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. Students, here cost price of VCR is equal to rupees 8,000 and cost price of TV is equal to rupees 8,000. Now here cost price of VCR 8,000, cost price of TV 8,000. Therefore, total cost price. Therefore, total cost price is equal to 8,000 plus 8,000 is equal to rupees 16,000. Therefore, total cost price is equal to 16,000. But here on the selling of a VCR, shopkeeper made a loss of 4%. Therefore, we can write here here 4% loss on VCR. Therefore, if you write here CP and here SP, if you consider cost price of a VCR is rupees 100, therefore with 4% loss, its selling price is rupees 96, and here we have to write 8,000 because cost price is 8,000, and we have to find out here selling price with 4% loss. Therefore, here we have to make cross multiplication. Therefore, 100 into x is equal to 96 into 8,000. Here cross multiplication, 100 into x and 96 into 8,000. Now this 100 move from left side to right side. Therefore, here 100 multiply. Therefore, it will divide on RHS. 96 into 8,000 upon 100. 2 0 cancel, 2 0. Now multiplication of 96 and 80. 96 into 80. Here 0 0. If you multiply 96 by 8, 8 6 are 48. 4 carry. 8 9 are 72. 72 plus 4 76. And 0 as it is. Therefore, x is equal to 7680. Therefore, selling price of VCR with 4% loss is equal to 7,680. Now, shopkeeper made profit of 8% on the selling of TV. Therefore, here we can write here 8% profit on TV. Therefore, here we can write CP, here SP. Students, if you consider cost price of TV rupees 100, therefore with 8% profit, its selling price is rupees 108. because here profit, therefore here we have to add 8 in 100. Therefore 100 plus 8, 108. Now cost price of TV is equal to rupees 8,000. Therefore here we have to write 8,000 and we have to find out its selling price with 8% profit. Therefore here we have to make cross multiplication. Therefore 100 into x, 100 into x is equal to 108 into 8,000. 108 into 8,000. Now this 100 will move from LHS to RHS and it will divide on RHS. Therefore x is equal to 108 into 8,000 divided by 100. This 2 zeros cancel, 2 zeros cancel. Therefore 108 into 80. Therefore 108 into 80. 8 8 ja 64. 6 carry 8 0 ja 0 plus 6 6. 8 1 ja 8 and this 0 as it is. Therefore x is equal to 8,640. Therefore students, here selling price of TV with 8% profit is equal to rupees 8,640. Therefore students, total selling price is equal to, therefore total selling price is equal to selling price of VCR plus selling price of TV, that is equal to 7680 plus 8640, which is equal to 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 4 12, carry 1, 6 plus 6 12 plus carry 1 30, carry 1 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 8 16. Therefore total selling price is equal to 16,320. Now students, if you observe here, total selling price is equal to 16,320 and total cost price is equal to 16,000. Therefore here selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore here profit. Therefore we can say that shopkeeper made profit in whole transaction. Therefore profit is equal to 16,320 minus 16,000, which is equal to 320. Therefore shopkeeper made profit of rupees 320 on in whole transaction. Now students, here we have to find out profit percent. Therefore here we have to write formula for profit percent. Therefore profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price, and here we have to write total cost price multiplied by 100. Therefore here profit is 320. Therefore in numerator we have to write 320 and total CP, that is 16,000 into 100. Now these 2 zeros cancel, these 2 zeros can cancel, 1 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel. Now if we divide here 32 by 16, then 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. Therefore which is equal to 2%. Therefore profit percent or gain percent is equal to 2%. Therefore students, here we can say that shopkeeper made 2% profit in whole transaction. Students, I hope it is clear to you.